Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio. So, if you haven't been following me, I've been doing a series of abstract collage journal pages and using a specific set of scraps. And I am down to the last bit of scraps. And so, I'm gluing it right onto the page instead of how I was doing it before, which was assembling it and then gluing it into the page. Just because I wasn't sure if I had enough big pages to really create something. But I do have this gray and red, and so I end up just using that. It's not my favorite color combination, so it's been hanging around for a little while, and I guess I'm going to use it now to make the majority of the background for this page. And then I'll take bits and pieces and piece together the rest of it, I guess, to fill out the left side. Want to see that little bit of pink that I have left? Pinky purpley color. I really liked that deli paper. I think that was the last little bit. I thought the last one I had used the last little bit of that paper, but I had a little bit left. The red and black or gray is a stencil by Robin McClendon. Yep, I'm even going to use this little teeny bit of book text. And that's just some edge of some book pages. I think I've got a couple of those. It's hard to see the difference, but I'll put something else over the top of it too. But it's a little bit off-white, so it shows up a little bit against the border. I have to say this is probably my least favorite page of the group, but it is the last page. And it's not horrible. It's just not my favorite colors. And yeah, as you can see, I'm getting down to the bare minimum on the scraps. I'm going to have those inky square pieces of rice paper forever, I think, though. There's so many of them, and there's just one sheet of paper. I decided why not use my little red triangles. Sometimes I think that's how it is. You get to the last thing and you just want to be done. Well, it was fun, but I didn't have a lot of pretty paper left. All I had was black and white and red and that little bit of purpley pink at the bottom there. So I just tried to make it look interesting. So if you've watched all 5, I think there's 5. If you've watched all 5, you'll have to tell me which one is your favorite. And I think after this, I will do a flip through of my entire journal. So in another episode, I'll just do a quick flip through. So you can see everything that is in this book. These ones are quite different than the other stuff that's in there, even though it's all collage. Yep, might as well use the last bird that I have on that tissue. Still have a lot more tissue paper stuff left as well. More scraps for another scrap journal series, maybe. Not a junk journal, a scrap journal. Using up the scraps to make something pretty. Or interesting, as the case may be. But yeah, that is it. Those are all my pages that I created. I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked the series. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Thank you all for watching. Have an awesome day.